Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani bafethu. As you know, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel as an Orlando Pirates supporter bafethu. I've been saying this, man. I've been saying this. Just good to, if une fan base, ne, your voice gets louder. Yes, if une fan base, your voice gets louder. Sipho Mbuli is not the best players ke sayibona. Akekho best na ku-position yakhe la ku-PSL. Akusi best number 6 ya ku-PSL. Yabo. You can't even tell ukuthi uSipho Mbuli is a defending midfielder, attacking midfielder because akakhona ukudefenda, akakhona uku-attack-a. Mawuthi i-attacking midfielder fanele ngabe ama-assist wakhe the way nimpraise-a ngakhona fanele ngabe 7, 8 assists this season. Unangakhi? Unangakhi i-goal? Unangakhi i-goal uSipho Mbuli? Uyalazi yiyo into enisivayo uyalazi. Hhayi kudlala ngathi la. Mlilo wamaphepha le nto le. Bafethu ithi nginitsheleni mina, alikho iplayer ongalithatha ulise ku-Sundowns manje ku-Pirates, lifike libhentshi umuntu ku-Sundowns. Ngisho noMofokeng angafika ahlale ebhentshini bafana, adle ama-ice strong futhi, strong aze aphathwe yi-flu. Mofokeng lona ithi nina i-best player ku-Pirates angafika ku-Sundowns adle ama-ice strong bambuyisele naku-DDC lapha ku-Sundowns. Sundowns i-University ye-football bafana. Yezwa, Sundowns University. Sipho Mbuli uma ngabe uhluleke ku-Sundowns, ngeke ningitshele ukuthi i-university, angeke ngitshele ukuthi hey u-blind hey. Uhluleke ku-Sundowns lo muntu uhluleke ukuwina i-starting 11 ku-Sundowns kufana ku-Rhulani Mokwena. Hhayi bafethu, hhayi asibeni fair bafethu, asibeni fair. Ya siyazi abantu abane-crowd eningi they will make noise. It's the same thing eniyenzile kuLotsha. uLotsha asadlala i-Pirates benithi uyi-star. Hey uLotsha uyi-star, hey uLotsha uyi-star. Ngithi mina noma bani oku-Pirates mthathe umise ku-Sundowns namhlanje, ubheke ukuthi angeke ayidle i-ice for 6 months akubhentshi. Hhayi kubhentshi kuma-stands futhi bakugcwalisele. Ufike lapho uhlangane ney'tabo Marcelo Alenda abo-Tebza Mokoena. Ningitshela ukuthi Sipho Mbuli bekangabhentshi uMarcelo Alende, Sipho Mbuli akagijimi ne-90 minutes. Umbheke ama-match abalulekile ku-Pirates ungena second half, akayidlali 90 minutes Sipho Mbuli, akayidlali 90 minutes, akagijimi akamagi, yabo. So bekwamanga le nto enisitshela yona, asiyekeni ukuthi uyalazi ama-assist ayingakho, ama-goal ayingakho, case close. Mina mawufuna siphikisane asicale lapho unama-assist ayingakho uSipho Mbuli ku-Pirates, unama-goal ayingakho, case close. Danko.